All right, guys, welcome back. One of the most crucial things as a woman is ensuring that you have on the correct bra. A bra can make or break your outfits. Ladies, we know this, right? It either adds significant comfort or discomfort as you go about your day, among a number of other long-term complications that we don't often hear about, right? So here to show us how to get it right is Andrea Jackson Robinson, co-founder of Valentine's Intimates, who's here to tell us how to do it correctly. Thank you, God, for Andrea. Welcome, my darling. How are you?
I am well. Thank you for having me.
And I love the fact that we're not waiting until February to have this conversation, even though your company is called Valentine's Intimate, right? Because it's always Valentine's for us.
And it's not related to the Valentine's Day. My mother's last name is Valentine. Hence
Valentine's.
Well,
there we go. It's just because, you know, during Valentine's we get a little intimate, so we just kind of...
I know.
But it works, right?
It does.
And for the business of bra, this is something that happens daily for us women.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it makes a big difference, not only in how she feels, but also in terms of her posture, how she stands up and how she looks in the clothes, as you said earlier.
All right, talk to me now, Andrea, because see me here, how do I look? I look like I have on something that fit, right?
Well, there's two things that you can tell by looking.
Okay.
One, I would ask you to hold your ladies like this and lift them. All right? No, you're not going up very far, so that means you're not hanging very low.
Got it.
The second one, I will normally look and say, do I see bulge at the top? We call them spillage. Sometimes I'll say those are four boobs. You're not very tight in your shirt that you're seeing, but I'm not seeing any bulge at the top.
Got it. Okay, so if we did something like this, you would see.
May I come around and see?
Please.
All right. So
absolutely. I'll be the third mannequin right here.
So if it is that, when I bring your shirt down, no, I'm not seeing any bulge.
Okay, good.
And then the other thing I'd want to check for is right here is the underwire resting on the chest and the bra is separated. And based on what I'm feeling, it's resting on the chest.
Oh, it is?
It is. And finally, the band. This is where a lot of women get it wrong, where the band is on the very tight and it's actually very loose. So for you, your band is very loose. So instead of that bra lifting, which is coming from the band or should, you're actually putting the weight on your shoulder rather on your back.
Oh, okay.
So this band is too loose for you. It should be parallel to the ground, parallel to your waist. Right now it's riding up in your back. So this band is too big. And this is where a lot of women
Andrea, just tell the whole of my business for national TV.
You asked, right? Didn't you ask?
Andrea, honestly, you just tell everybody about the fact that I'm wearing a bra that don't fit me good. But you know the funniest thing though, let me tell you why I chose this, because for me, right here, it felt good. Like it just felt like it worked well. And in the store that I bought it, which is very famous for, you know, bra business and, you know, it usually keeps a secret, unlike Andrea.
I know. and I actually have a lot of customers that go to that secret.
Right, that secret.
And you know, the interesting thing about that secret place is that the biggest cup size it carries is a triple D.
Okay.
And a lot of women think that a triple D is a big bra. I'm a D cup and I'm very small. Right?
You are a what?
I'm a D cup. Right, and bras actually go to a P cup.
Okay, all right. So at your store, Valentine's Intimate, what's the largest bra size that we have there?
The largest bra size is the largest bra size made, which is a P cup.
A P cup?
P USA or a KK UK.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Right, based on my mother's first name, Pauline Valentine.
Wow. Okay, and we do have ladies that size.
Yes, we do.
That's the truth.
And a lot of times those ladies, because they are struggling to find their right size, you cannot go to any usual standard retailer, you have to go to a specialty store. You'll find that they're going to be having a bra that is digging in their shoulder, and you often see a marking on the shoulder and a bruise on the shoulder. You find that you see the back of the band, it's actually riding all the way up here.
Like mine, she explained a while ago.
I'm so sorry. And then
fine.
you bring it all the way down and the ladies are hanging very low.
Okay, got it.
Those ladies, you need to ensure that they should come and get measured and fitted for their right
That's the
size.
question I was going to ask you, right? Instead of just us going in a store and say, all right, let me just put this on, and for me it feels okay. We're supposed to be measured and fitted by a professional like yourself.
Yes, indeed, because actually, based on a 2008 study, over 80% of women are wearing their wrong size because they've never been measured and fitted. Once you're measured and fitted, they're not only should you fit the bra, but you should also practice how to put on your bra. There's a rule called scoop and soup. So if I have a bra...
There's a rule called what now?
Scoop.
Scoop.
And soup.
And soup, okay.
Yes, so I'm going to demonstrate the scoop and soup method. So this is an underwire strapless bra. I actually call it a 5-in-1, because you can also wear it with straps, and you can wear it without and X-back it, or one strap on both sides. When you put on your bra, a lot of women will tend to go like this, and they spin their bra around,
right.
and they spin it around. You're not supposed to do that.
Andrea, no, but Andrea, this is the Jamaican tradition, though, Andrea. You cannot do that to us, you know, because you're disrupting our very you're disrupting everything that we thought we knew as women. We know we saw mother, our grandmother do it.
I know, but it's not the right way.
How are we supposed to do it?
Actually, you're supposed to put your bra on, you feel for the end, first hook. Your bra should always be hooked at the very first. So over time, as the bra stretch, or as you lose weight, you may go tighter. If you're on the tightest hook, as you lose weight or as the bra stretch, you have nowhere else to go.
Got it, okay.
So you're gonna put your bra on, you're gonna turn around. If you want to do it in a mirror, some women will bend.
Right.
You don't have to, you just feel it.
Right.
And then you're gonna hook it at the back, just as how I'm going to hook it. And then once you do that.
So that's a scoop?
No, that's the hook. Now we're gonna scoop. So bring up the bra.
Okay.
You're gonna hold the underwire at the side, use your opposite hand, scoop up the breast, and ensure that the underwire comes behind the breast tissue.
Oh, it's supposed to
be behind it. Because a lot of women are wearing the underwire on the breast, and so you start finding that they have two tissue, one at the front and one at the back, and they think that this is back fat, when it's actually the breast tissue that they have been separating over the years. So after you scoop, so we just scoop, bring up my bra, and this is not my right size, then we soup.
So you hold with the microphone, Angie.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. So then we hold and we soup in the breast so that there's no spillage or no forebobes.
Got it. Okay, so wow.
When you're putting on your bra, if you're not scooping and souping, that means you're leaving your ladies being potentially harmed by the underwire.
All right, I want you to just pull on your shirt for me so we'll just have that microphone. There we go. We have a lady over there. You just demonstrated on me, but we want to bring her over here at this time. Come on over, my darling, because you're going to show us how to actually fit it, right?
Right. So I'm going to show Miss Jennifer here is a 30. So she wears a 30 H cup. The smallest band size is a 28. Now, when you're putting on your bra, firstly, you put your hands in, and she's going to turn facing everyone. And then we hook the bra at the back. And like I said, you can lean forward. The bra should be hooked on the very first hook. And persons can go to our website, Valentine's Intimates, and there's a bra size calculator. Then you hold the underwire at the side, and then you use your opposite hands, and you're going to scoop your breast tissue up. So you make sure that the underwire is immediately behind the breast tissue and not resting on the breast tissue. So you do the same. So turn to me now. You're going to do the same for both bras. So after we scoop up the lady, then we're going to soup her in. Okay,
I want to ask you quickly as well, Andrea. When we talk about long-term complications from wearing the incorrect size, what are we looking at?
So there are 5 pain signs. The first one, you're going to have a lot of back pain. A lot of women who, from wearing the wrong size, you're feeling back pain. You're going to have shoulder pain, neck pain, and you're going to also have skin abrasion underneath your torso. So right where the underwire is supposed to be, that bra is so big in the band that it begins to rub back and forth. So you start to see the discoloration, and I've seen quite a lot of women who have had a lot of discoloration because that is too small. So those are the pain signs. The next one is a posture. So you begin to find that you're ouching when you should be standing up. And just a general discomfort that you're just feeling embarrassed based on how you look in your clothes. So if a woman is having back, shoulder pain, if they're feeling breast pain, if that bra is uncomfortable, you're wearing your wrong size.
Yeah, all right. So how can we, find you to get fitted? Because I need to find you, ma'am. I thought I was doing this right all along, all right? No, I'm going to have to go through my drawer and, toss out some things and rearrange some stuff.
And you don't need more than 7 bras.
Okay.
1 per day, you rotate them daily.
Of course.
Once you do that, the bras will last. So we're located in Kingston at 143 Harbor Street downtown, and we're also located in Montego Bay at Shop 13, Overton Plaza, 49 Union Street. So you can find us at any of our physical location, and we also come to companies for wellness days. So we will come, we will present, and we do a presentation where we go through, and then we do measurement and fitting on the day for the wellness day. I love that.
Well, my darling, you kept no secret about what's supposed to be done properly concerning our bra and how it's supposed to fit us. Thank you so much for being here this morning. We really appreciate you. Andrea Jackson Robinson, co-founder of Valentine's Intimates. Stay with us, guys. More to come on Weekend Smile right after the break.
Thank you.
Love it. Cheese you. Wheeze you.